Hi, I'm Sean from Posmay Media, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to update your WordPress installation as well as how to update your theme and your plugins. So we're currently logged into a demo site, and you can see this is the WordPress dashboard, and at the top next to the name of the website you'll see an icon that looks like a circle with little arrows. And currently that has a number 3 next to it, which means that there are 3 updates available. And if you hover your cursor over that icon, it should show you the updates that are available. So for this example, we've got 1 WordPress update, 1 plugin update, and 1 theme update. So below this, you can see that we can update to WordPress 5.1.1. And to the left here in our menu, we can see next to plugins, there's a little number 1. And again here under dashboard at the top, it says updates, and there's a 3. So we've got those 3 updates. So we can run these updates from various places within the dashboard. One option would be to click on the circular icon at the top, and this will take us to the updates page. And here we can see that an update version of WordPress is available, so we can update the core files of WordPress from this page. Further down on this page, we can see that there is 1 plugin that can be updated, and if we scroll further down, we can see that there's 1 theme that we can update. That's all great, but before we continue, I need to give you a warning, and that is, based on best practices, it is always recommended before you do any updates on your site to make sure that your entire site has been backed up. There are different options for backing up your WordPress site. Some hosting providers back up your site on your behalf. There are different backup plugins that you can make use of to back up your site onto your own server or into cloud storage, for example, Dropbox or Google Drive, or Amazon Cloud Storage. So there are various possibilities for backing up your site, but you definitely want to make sure to back up your site before you make any updates in case something goes wrong, because running updates within WordPress can in fact break your site. And as simple as it is to run updates within WordPress to update plugins and the core of WordPress and themes, it's really simple to also just click a button and then something doesn't work as it should and your site might go offline. And if you're not experienced with managing WordPress websites, you might break your site and then your site is offline, and this obviously affects your business or your e-commerce store, and you don't want that to happen. So you could take care of this yourself if you're confident, or you could outsource this to a WordPress developer or an agency or a website manager. Great, so now that we've spoken about the importance of backing up your site and the implications of running updates, I'm going to show you how to run these 3 updates. First of all, we are going to update the plugin, then we're going to update the theme, and then we're going to update WordPress. As I mentioned, we could run all these updates from this page, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where else you can run these updates from. So first of all, I'm going to click onto plugins, install plugins. Here we can see that there's 1 plugin that has a newer version available. So what we need to do here is simply click update now. So there we go, that plugin has been updated. That's how simple it is. If you've got multiple plugins on this page and various plugins need updating, you can either update them all individually, or you can use these checkboxes and bulk update them in one go. You might experience that an error occurs, and this can affect your site. It can break your site. Another thing to keep in mind is if you're running multiple plugins, newer versions of a plugin might have conflicts with other plugins. So it's always recommended to update plugins on a staging site before you then run those updates on your live site, because if you run updates on your live site and you break something and your site goes offline, then your live site is offline, and that'll affect your business or your online store. But that's it. This is how you update a plugin. And next we are going to head over to update the theme. And to do that, we're going to go under appearances and click on themes. Here, this is the theme that's currently active, 2017. It's one of the default WordPress themes. And again, it says update available. So what we're going to do is click this link, update now. We can see it's running the update. And there we go. That theme has been updated. So this theme and the plugin that I just updated are very lightweight, so these updates are running very quickly. So that's how you update the theme. And now the third update that we're going to run is we're going to update WordPress. So to do that, I'm going to click that icon at the top to go to the updates page. And here it says an update version of WordPress is available. And I'm going to click this blue button, update now. So this usually takes a few seconds, up to 15, 30 seconds, sometimes even longer. This depends on various factors. So there we go, it's still updating. And we have our success message, welcome to WordPress 5.1.1. And it gives us a rundown of what's new in this version of WordPress. So there we go. And at the top, you can see that icon has actually disappeared because we don't have any updates available. If I go back to the dashboard, you'll see at the left here where it says updates, there is no circle and no number next to it. So currently there are no available updates. So there we go. That's it. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. And as always, I'll leave any interesting links in the description below. Wishing you an awesome day. I'm Sean from Posmay Media, and I'll chat to you soon. Cheers.